You might want to think about hiring Scon Design India Pvt Ltd if you're looking for land surveyors in Bangalore's Gowdahalli neighborhood. They are a respected business that offers affordable, high-quality surveying services. One of the top surveying firms in the area, they offer a staff of knowledgeable experts who can manage any size surveying assignment. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers reasonable prices that are catered to the needs and budgets of its customers. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can provide you with any form of land surveying service, including topographic and boundary surveys. They can deliver precise and dependable outcomes that satisfy your particular requirements, thanks to their cutting-edge tools and knowledge. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd should be your first choice if you're looking for land surveyors in Bangalore's Gowdahalli neighborhood. To discuss your project requirements and obtain a free quote, get in touch with them right away. Many government land surveyors who specialize in offering precise land surveying services are located in Gowdahalli, a suburb of Bangalore. These experts correctly measure and map the land using cutting-edge tools and technologies. They assist clients in creating property lines, detecting corners, and determining the limits of their land. Land surveying services are essential for real estate transactions, building projects, and land development in Commissandra, Bangalore. These surveyors are essential in settling boundary disputes and guaranteeing adherence to local laws. Government land surveyors in Gowdahalli, Bangalore, offer trustworthy and effective services to clients and help to the area's general growth with their experience and knowledge. It can be difficult to find the top land surveyors in Gowdahalli, Bangalore, especially if you are not familiar with the area. But with a little diligence and investigation, you can quickly find the best experts that can offer precise and trustworthy land surveying services. Asking friends and family members who have used land surveyors in Commissandra, Bangalore, in the past for recommendations is one of the finest ways to get the best one. Searching online is another efficient technique to find the top land surveyors in Gowdahalli, Bangalore. Using this method, you can obtain a list of trustworthy experts, their contact information, and client testimonials. To gain a sense of the level of service and caliber of work provided by each land surveyor, browse through customer reviews carefully. Verify a land surveyor's credentials and experience before hiring them in Gowdahalli, Bangalore. The top land surveyors will have years of expertise in the field and the relevant qualifications and licenses. In order to assess their degree of experience, be sure to request references and samples of their prior work. In the end, considerable thought and investigation are needed to choose the best land surveyor for your project. Finding a highly qualified expert who can offer you precise and trustworthy land surveying services in Gowdahalli, Bangalore, is possible with the appropriate approach. There are several possibilities available to you if you're seeking for reputable and knowledgeable